using the intercept. So this time, anak, ang igagraph natin ay equation na po. So the given equation, we have 2x plus y is equal to 4. Now, how to graph the given equation? Okay, we're going to use the intercept method. Okay, so to graph first, we need to identify the x-intercept. So, katulad nung ginawa natin nung nakaraan. So, to get the x-intercept, let y is equal to 0. I-assign natin si y as 0. Then, pag nakuha na po natin anak si x-intercept, proceed tayo kay y-intercept. So, to get the y-intercept, let x is equal to 0. So, after natin makuha yung dalawa, ipa-plot na po natin. That is step 3. And then, after plotting, draw a line. So, connect the 2 points using a straight line. Now, let's try an example. So, this is the given example. We have 2x plus y is equal to 4. Okay, step 1. Get first the x-intercept. Or how to get the x-intercept? So, let y is equal to 0. Or sa Tagalog, papalitan natin si y. Magiging 0 dapat siya. So, this will become 2x plus, ano na po yung y? So, 0 na po yan. Is equal to 4. So, dahil 0 na yan, pwedeng i-cancel na natin. Ano na lang matitira sa left side? 2x na lang po. And then sa right side ay 4. Then after that, eliminate the numerical coefficient of x. How to eliminate 2? Divide both side by 2. Okay. Therefore, cancel. Ano matitira sa left? X. And then 4 divided by 2. Okay, this will be the value of x. Value pa lang ng x yan. Ang kailangan natin kunin, anak, ay yung x-intercept. Para makuha po yung x-intercept, combine mo lang x, y. Ano yung nakuha natin kay x? 2. And then ano yung y natin? 0. So this will become 2, 0. So para hindi malito, i-plot na natin agad. So from the origin, okay, positive 2. Right, left. Right. So 0 na to. Alis pa po ba tayo dito? So ito na yung location niya. 2, 0. That is step 1. Do you understand po? Okay, step 2, proceed na tayo, anak, kay y-intercept. So, how to get the y-intercept? Let x is equal to 0. So, palitan natin dito si x ng 0. This will become, magiging 2 times 0, or 2 times 0. So, 0 na po yan. Then, the remaining terms bring down. So, dahil 0 na po ito, cancel na yan. Ano matitira sa left? Y is equal to 4. So, para makuha, anak, si y-intercept, just combine x, y. What is x? 0. What is y? Okay, this will become 0, 4 naman po. So, ipa-plot na po natin. Start from the origin. Ano yung x natin? 0. So, hindi ka aalis sa origin. Proceed na tayo kay 4. So, ang 4 natin, second number, meaning siya po si y. Okay, positive, up, down. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, therefore, this is the exact location of 0, 4. And that is step 3. Ginawa na po natin. Nag-plot na po tayo. And then, para ma-finalize, okay, we need to draw a line. So, connect the given points using a straight line. So, pag kinonect natin, meaning, ito na po yung graph ng ating equation. So, this will be the graph of 2x plus y is equal to 4.